Hello, future Swift programmers. Let's dive into the exciting world of Swift, a powerful programming language created by Apple. Introduced in 2014, Swift quickly gained popularity for its clean syntax, safety features, and speed. Before Swift, developers primarily used Objective-C for iOS development. While Objective-C is a capable language, it can feel a bit clunky and outdated compared to modern languages. Swift brought a fresh, modern approach to app development. With its clear syntax and focus on safety, Swift is designed to be easier to learn and use, especially for beginners. It's like learning to code in plain English. Whether you dream of building the next hit game, a productivity app, or anything in between, Swift is your gateway to the exciting world of iOS development, so buckle up and get ready for an amazing coding journey. Swift is the heart and soul of modern Apple development. When you write Swift code, you're creating apps for a vast and vibrant ecosystem. Think of all the Apple devices you love: iPhones, iPads, Macs, Apple Watches, Apple TVs. Swift powers them all. From the sleek user interface of your favorite apps to the complex logic behind the scenes, Swift is the driving force. But Swift is not limited to just apps. It's also used to build powerful software for macOS, watchOS, tvOS, and even for web development using server-side Swift frameworks. This versatility makes Swift a valuable skill for any aspiring developer. Learning Swift opens doors to a world of possibilities. You could create the next viral game, a life-changing productivity tool, or even contribute to the development of groundbreaking technologies. So, if you're passionate about building innovative and impactful applications, mastering Swift is the key to unlocking your full potential as a developer. Let's break down the basic building blocks of Swift's syntax, which is designed to be clear, concise, and easy to understand. Imagine you're building with Lego bricks. Each piece has a specific purpose and fits together in a logical way. In Swift, you use familiar keywords like to declare a variable, for a constant, for conditions, for loops, and more. These keywords act as the instructions that tell your code what to do. Semicolons, a common sight in many other programming languages, are generally optional in Swift. This makes your code cleaner and less cluttered. Swift also uses parentheses to group code blocks, just like in mathematics. This helps the compiler understand the order of operations and execute your code correctly. As you progress, you'll find that Swift's syntax is not only easy to grasp, but also quite elegant. It's designed to make your coding experience more enjoyable and productive. In the world of programming, data is king. Variables and constants are the essential containers we use to store and manage this data. Think of variables as labeled boxes where you can store information that might change during your program's execution. They are declared using the keyword var player score equals sign 0. Here we've created a variable named and assigned it an initial value of 0. As the game progresses, this value can be updated to reflect the player's current score. Constants, on the other hand, are like immutable labels on fixed values. Once you declare a constant using the keyword, its value cannot be changed. Let gravity equal sign 9.8. In this case, is declared as a constant with a fixed value of 9.8. This value remains constant throughout the program's execution. Swift is a type-safe language, meaning it requires you to be explicit about the type of data you're storing. Common data types include for integers, for text, for decimal numbers, and for Boolean values, true or false. By using the right data types and understanding the difference between variables and constants, you can write more efficient, organized, and error-free Swift code. Section 5. Directing the flow of your code. Imagine your code as a set of instructions for a robot. Control flow statements are like giving that robot the ability to make decisions and repeat actions. They are essential for creating dynamic and responsive programs. The statement is like a fork in the road for your code. It allows your program to choose different paths based on a condition. If the temperature is greater than 30, print it's a hot day. Otherwise, print the weather is pleasant. Loops, on the other hand, are like giving your robot the ability to repeat tasks multiple times. The loop is used to iterate over a sequence of items. For number in 1 to 5, print counting, number. The statement provides a more elegant way to handle multiple conditions. It's like a multi-way fork in the road, allowing you to execute different blocks of code based on the value of a variable or expression. If the day of the week is Monday, print back to work. If it's Friday, print TGF. For any other day, print enjoy your day. By mastering control flow statements, you gain the power to create more intelligent and responsive programs that can adapt to different situations and user inputs. Section 6. Functions. Reusable blocks of code. Functions are like specialized tools in your programming toolkit. They allow you to encapsulate a block of code that performs a specific task, giving it a name so you can reuse it whenever needed. Think of functions as mini-programs within your main program. They can take input values, called parameters, and return output values just like a mathematical function. For example, Swift func greet person string. String, return, hello, person. Let message =, greet, person, Alice, print, message, / output, hello Alice. In this example, we define a function called that takes a parameter named. The function constructs a greeting message and returns it as a. Functions promote code reusability and modularity, making your programs easier to read, understand, and maintain. By breaking down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable functions, you can write cleaner and more efficient code. Section 7. Building with blueprints, classes, and Swift. Imagine you're designing a video game. You wouldn't create each character from scratch, would you? That's where classes come in. They're like blueprints for creating objects, which are instances of a class. A class defines properties or attributes and methods or actions that objects of that class can have. For example, a class might have properties like and methods like and. Here's an example. Swift class dog, var breed, string var color, string var age, int init breed string color string age int, self.br id =, breed self.color =, self.age =, age, funcbark, print, woof, let my dog =, dog breed, golden retriever color golden age 3, mydog.bark / output woof. In this example, we define a class with properties for breed, color, and age. The function is a special function called a constructor, which is used to initialize an object's properties when it's created. Classes are the foundation of object-oriented programming, or OOP, a powerful paradigm that allows you to model real-world entities and their interactions in your code. Section 8. Swift in action code examples. Let's see some of the concepts we've covered in action with these simple code examples. Calculating the area of a rectangle. Swift func, calculate area, length, int, width, int, let area =, length * width return area. Let rectangle area =, calculate area, length 10, width 5. Print, the area of the rectangle is rectangle area. This code defines a function that takes the length and width of a rectangle as input and returns the calculated area. Checking if a number is even or odd, Swift let number =, 7, if number %2 =, 0, print number is even, else print number is odd. This code checks if a given number is even or odd using the modulo operator and prints the result. Creating a simple to-do list, Swift var to-do list, =, buy groceries, pay bills to-do list, append go for a run, for item in to-do list, print, item. This code demonstrates creating a simple to-do list using an array, adding an item to the list and then printing all the items. These are just basic examples. As you dive deeper into Swift, you'll discover countless ways to apply these concepts to build amazing applications. Section 9. Why learn Swift? As we've explored in this guide, Swift is a powerful, versatile, and beginner-friendly programming language that opens doors to the exciting world of Apple development. Learning Swift equips you with the tools to bring your app ideas to life, whether it's a game-changing mobile app, a sleek macOS application, or even a web service using server-side Swift. The demand for skilled Swift developers continues to grow, making it a valuable asset for your career in the tech industry. With its clear syntax, safety features, and speed, Swift is not only enjoyable to work with but also empowers you to create high-performance applications. So, if you're ready to embark on a rewarding journey into the world of programming, learning Swift is an excellent investment in your future. Take the leap and start building your dream apps today.